Floor-to-ceiling cabinets instantly create a cleaner look while hiding everyday clutter. Matching finishes and warm wood accents give the garage a custom feel. Keeping countertops clear is what makes the entire space feel more expensive. Ceiling storage takes advantage of space that often goes unused. Seasonal bins and lightweight items stay out of the way while keeping valuable floor space open. Proper organization makes the garage feel larger and easier to maintain. A modern slat wall keeps tools organized and easy to access without overcrowding the workspace. Grouping similar items together creates a cleaner appearance and gives the garage a more professional, custom-built feel. The area above the garage door is often overlooked. Slim shelves provide extra storage for seasonal decor, travel gear, and lightweight bins while preserving valuable floor space below. Heavy-duty shelving creates practical storage without major renovations. Matching bins and organized categories make everyday items easier to find while giving the entire garage a cleaner and more intentional look. A bright white garage creates a calm and modern atmosphere. Hidden storage, warm wood accents, and balanced lighting help the space feel larger while keeping visual clutter completely out of sight. A dedicated workbench transforms the garage into a functional workspace. Cabinets, drawers, and charging stations keep tools organized while natural wood surfaces add warmth and character. Combining smart storage with thoughtful design completely changes how a garage looks and functions. Even small upgrades can create a space that feels cleaner, more practical, and beautifully custom.